Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into a forest spirit using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first you're going to open up Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then go to the home menu, and you're going to add your prompt here and upload your photo. I'm going to choose a random photo from my device, this one, and then we can submit the photo and also the prompt to AI. And hold on, now it's still generating. Oops, sorry, my internet is not good. Okay, done for the photos, and these are the results, guys. And I'm going to choose one of them. I'm gonna go with this one. I think this one looks cooler. And then if you want to download it, you can click on this download menu, or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your photo into a forest spirit using Pippit AI for free. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and you can try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.